U.S. health officials are recommending all Americans get COVID-19 booster shots for extra protection against the Delta variant. The shots are recommended 8 months after the second dose of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine. The booster doses could begin the week of September 20th. Health officials said people who received the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine will also probably need extra shots. But they said they're awaiting more data and have yet to work out the details. In a statement, health officials said it is very clear that the vaccine's protection against infection wanes over time, and they are starting to see evidence of reduced protection against mild and moderate disease.
Even though this new data affirms that vaccine protection remains high against the worst outcomes of COVID, we are concerned that this pattern of decline we are seeing will continue in the months ahead, which could lead to reduced protection against severe disease, hospitalization, and death.
Health experts say if you're already vaccinated, there is no need to panic or rush for a third shot. Doctors say the focus should still be on getting some people their first shot. In Monroe County, more than 40% of the population has yet to get the first dose. A clinic hosted today in one of the lowest vaccinated zip codes in Rochester hoped to reach folks who are still hesitant. Allie Peters was there and spoke to some locals who rolled up their sleeves for the first time today. Allie, what do they have to say about this?
Well, John, Trillium Health and RTS held a pop-up vaccine clinic today, hoping to reach those who still haven't felt ready to get the shot. And they offered a $50 gift card as an incentive. But those in attendance tell me that actually wasn't the driving force behind why they went.
I did it. I'm trusting in our science.
I felt safe. I felt safe. I ain't want to end up with the COVID.
Although COVID-19 vaccines have been around since the beginning of this year, numerous people still haven't gotten the shot. In fact, in Monroe County, only about 59% of eligible residents are fully vaccinated, which is why today's pop-up vaccine clinic at the RTS Transit Center was so important. Not only is it located in a zip code with one of the lowest vaccination rates in the county, it's also a convenient spot to reach people going to work or heading home. Mike Schmidt and Anhal Cruz both showed up today to get their first shot. They say they had been skeptical of the vaccine for months, worried about potential side effects. So why did they change their minds? They said ultimately they felt like getting vaccinated was in the best interest of their family.
I was worried about my family more than me. Like, my father's 81, he's got his roofing business, and, my brother just had a mini stroke, and, it's been, thinking about my family more than myself.
People have been telling me, like, the symptoms they've been getting, but, like, when my mom was actually, when I witnessed my mom actually go through it, she said it's not that bad. And when she went through it, it was like a flu-like type, symptoms, and not everybody get them. So I was like, I might as well just get it. I might as well get it and get it over with.
I also had the chance to speak with a health expert with Trillium Health today, and I asked him why so many people are still hesitant to get the shot. He said one of the biggest reasons is because people don't actually trust that the vaccine is free. I'll have more from him coming up tonight at 5. Live in the studio, Allie Peters, News 8.